Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. I mean, I'm amazed, this chart isn't really doing anything. It's just people request it, but it's just not doing anything. So I keep coming back to XRP. I know there's still some of the most popular videos on this channel, which puzzles me when I look at action like this. But I mean, it might do something soon. It's just, it hasn't done anything really since nothing exciting. I mean, nothing really since well, in the last 4 weeks, okay, and then also nothing really exciting since July. So it's literally just moved sideways. Basically, this could also be a huge triangle. I just see that now as a possibility because it keeps doing this, down, up, lower volatility, and it's just sort of, I don't know, dead. Hopefully not. So no, I mean, it's just dancing on our support area that's been on the chart for more than a month now. So this chart hasn't really changed in more than a month. Actually more than a month. So the idea was up here somewhere that we probably drop back in a wave 4 and we'll test the support zone. But I mean, that it spends so much time in this, it's just crazy. Could get one more high. I mean, this can happen quickly. If XRP finally starts to run and finds its running shoes, then it can do that in a fifth wave here. Potential target for this fifth wave. I mean, we're talking about a potential diagonal in the white wave count. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and the wave 5, basically an A, B, C structure. That's possible, but it would really need to hold here this support zone. That'd be ideal. And below 56 cents, this wave count is has to be scrapped. Okay, until then, I see it as a potential, as a potential leading a diagonal in a wave 1. Obviously a bit speculative, because as I always have to tell the story that XRP tends to avoid to move in 5-wave patterns, so it likes its 3-wave structures. So I'm just skeptical about this fifth wave, but the support levels are objective, so anything below 56 cents, well, I would start to rule out that it is this white wave count, okay? By the way, I can take the resistance area off the chart now. Potential upside targets, I mean, one more high in a fifth wave can take us first to 80, then 87, and then possibly even 98 cents, even though that would be a lot of a significant stretch that I wouldn't really want to promise. I mean, I wouldn't promise anything. Rather, I'm fairly neutral. If it's white or yellow, fairly neutral about it. I'm leaning towards white because we're holding above support. But if we break below 56 cents, then it's likely the yellow count, which is just a larger correction, W, X, Y, or it's forming some kind of a triangle, which would create a lot of uncertainty here. So it's, I don't know, something like that. And, but it's not very interesting at the moment. So really, for me, commentary remains the same, that it needs to hold the 56 cent level. At the moment, it might already, I mean, I haven't even got any evidence that it started this C wave. That's rather speculative, because the last low could have just been this B wave, but very well, it might just reset that a little lower, right? Especially, let's assume Bitcoin comes down a little bit, but it hasn't really done anything anyway. So what can I say? Support is clearly defined, the upside target as well. And if the 56 cent level breaks, then we're likely pulling back, first of all, to this support range down here, which is around the October, September, and August lows, around 45 to 46 cents. That's just a quick update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. You can find the links for those in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.